Hello everyone, welcome to the third video of our Scratch series.
For the bone chase, now we have a name for it, right?
Yeah, but for the Scratch series, we are later we're gonna move on from the bone chase, right?
Okay, fair enough.
So first, I think the bone is a bit off color, so let's just change it a bit.
No, I think it's okay. Let's not spend time doing
Fine.
Let's
So let's add a sprite. So we'll just boost. So in this video, we just boost our game up. So we just grab a ball.
Can we use a different type of balls? This ball we've seen it too often. Use a baseball ball.
What about? Wait a sec. Wait, let me do something. Duplicate. And then choose a costume from here.
How about the baseball? I like the baseball. What?
Baseball. How about apple?
There's a baseball there. Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
So that I don't need to delete all this bones. The code is the same.
Let's call it a baseball or something.
Nah, it doesn't really matter, you know. But for the baseball, I think it's too big. So
Tell us what you did. As in, why did we duplicate the skeleton? I think it's important for beginners.
Well, because we need the code.
Yeah, can you run us through the thought behind it? So basically, we don't have to recode everything, right?
Yeah lah, because that'll waste time.
Yeah, so we just what we did was really just to duplicate this so that they will all be random. Anyway, we just need them to be random.
Yeah, so if you go to costumes, you can actually select a costume from another sprite, which is a good function, I guess.
Yeah, but does the ball rotate? Not exactly. Should I make it rotate a little bit as well? You see? It'll be nice.
It doesn't really matter.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter. Alright, come. What do we want to do with these balls and bones?
For the ball, let me make it a bit faster.
Okay, that's really only marginally faster. Okay, now, I don't think people know what we're trying to do. We're just putting the foundations in place, but
yep.
What exactly?
But for this is like a booster video. We'll just make it better, cause yeah.
Sure, but it must be
incrementally. But there's only one real thing we do here, and that is this.
So today we're going to do that. Right?
So today we're going to teach you about variables. So you have a default variable, my variable, but we don't want that. So press make a variable. So what should we name it? We should name it score. Then there's a class variable. You don't use a class variable, and for this sprite only, it's not for only the sprites. So use the for all sprites option. Then you press OK.
Alright.
So first now we do it like when the green flag clicked, set my variable to 0. Then let's do this. Forever forever.
You need to explain what you're thinking, right? Yeah.
If let's say it's touching the variable, then blah 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 blah. Technically what I'm trying to do, if touching
it's touching the sprite, right? Not the variable.
Yeah, I guess. If touching dog2, that is a bad name, then set the score to +1.
Okay, so this is the bone sprite, right? If the bone touches the dog, then set my score to 1.
+1.
It's okay. Change by 1
Oh yeah, yes,
plus.
that's technically what it means. But so then we just
But it
do
must
the same
disappear
thing.
as well, right? Should it? It should disappear. What we're saying is that the dog is supposed to chase the bone.
Well,
Once you successfully sort of eat the bone,
yep.
then you increase your score by 1.
Right. Let me do something else. So if like this thing happens, if you do this, that this will be blue. Then if you put it here, and it starts shaking, you drop it here, it'll respawn here. But if you go in here, da da da. So you don't have to waste your time. So you add a minus, then you change score by -1. Let's
Oh,
see.
come on, you got to tell everybody what we're trying to do.
Huh? What's happening? Wait. I found out something. If you touch it once, it's like,
Yeah, many times. Remember, we had the same problem.
Yep.
Because
Last
it
time.
just goes through
Yep.
the dog and.
But we can change that.
Okay,
And
no,
how
no.
is
I
that?
think we're going too fast.
Wait.
What we're doing is we explain step by step to say that when the dog touches the skeleton, the bone,
Yep.
right, we increase the score by 1. But if it
Mhm.
touches the ball,
Yeah.
then it takes the score away, right? So the name of
Yeah.
this game is to get the bone and avoid the ball. Okay, you're smiling because it's quite clear. Well, let's set the background, right? Okay. Okay.
Alright. So this is like basically. So if we put a wait 1 second, then they'll probably solve it unless there's been a major update. Let's see. It's working, but we are losing. Oh, yep, I'm bad at this game. Right, so let's just add a backdrop. So besides the sprite, the backdrop. So select it. Then you can literally, choose a backdrop yourself. It's not loading.
Why don't we change the name? Change the effect, because right now when you eat the bone or when you got hit, it's not very clear. Right? It should have a sound or some effect, and it's clearer.
Alright then.
How do we do that?
So just to make it clear, I press this button right here on the bottom left hand side.
Yeah, we are doing the sound only, right?
Yep.
We don't need this.
So we just do the text to speech. So we put hello. If you're a boy, you set it to alato. I mean, if you're a girl, you set to this one. But if you're a boy, you set it to this one. I'm a boy, so yeah. And then set language to whatever language. But for me, I'll choose English.
But okay. What do you want to do with this?
You squeak. You got hit. Wait, no. Yum. Because you're supposed to eat it, right?
Okay. Let's see how it sounds. Right, just press it.
Where are you?
It's not here.
That sometimes happens, but not very common now. What happens sometimes? Right, squeak.
Ouch. It's ouch.
It's spelling correct, it's not very good spelling.
Yep. Good.
Right, so
does it work?
I hope. So let's choose a backdrop. I'll go with a castle. What's wrong? Loading. Load.
Something seems to be wrong.
Yeah,
Never mind.
anyway, what's
Yeah.
supposed to work is that if you press something like this. Oh, it works, it works, it works, it works.
It's just a backdrop.
What's wrong? Yeah, for now we just go with this. But you can, if you want to make it a bit better, then you can actually.
Oh.
Ooh, let's go. Yep, let's go with this. Yep. So I think we've.
Oh, now it's the beach.
Okay.
Ouch. Ouch.
Yeah, man. Ouch. It's a
Wait, I
speaking
haven't
dog.
How come there's so many?
I think it was lacking.
Yeah.
I think the beach is good.
Wait, no. What about this? Forever.
What are you trying to do? Oh, you're gonna change the.
Wait, 10 seconds. And next backdrop. 1,
Ouch.
2,
Yum.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Ouch. Yum.
9, 10. Cage.
Ouch. Yum. Ouch.
Right. So that'll be it for today's video. Actually we're a bit over time, right?
Yeah, and did you touch the score? Look at the score line. Right. What's happening here?
Ouch.
It's not restarting. What's wrong?
Oh, because you.
My variable. What should be
Oh.
score?
So now every time you restart.
Ouch.
Ouch.
Yum.
Yeah. Let's try to eat it out and
Yum.
avoid
Ouch.
the ball.
Yum. Ouch. Yum.
Wait, you know
Ouch.
what? I
Yum.
think our next
Ouch.
edition,
Yum.
we should
Ouch.
make the ball
Yum.
predictable, but the bone unpredictable. Otherwise, you
Ouch.
can't avoid the
Yum.
ball, right?
Ouch.
You
Yum.
just make the ball bounce. And make
Yum.
the
Ouch.
bone run around.
Yum.
How about that?
Yum.
That should be good, I suppose.
Yum. Ouch.
But like this is kind of fun. All right. Anyway,
Ouch.
we're a bit too over time.
Yum.
So let's.
Ouch. Yum.
So I think this should be the end of the dodge it for the.
Dodger, you mean bone chase.
Yep.
Alright.
Anyway, this should be really. Anyway, well, we hope that it's been helpful. See you in 4 days' time.